Hi and welcome to Little Bits Honeybee's YouTube channel. I'm the Skinny Bee Man. Today's Mother's Day, so happy Mother's Day to all you mothers out there. Hope you have a great day with your family and kids. What I'm doing today, they're coming to get their Nucs that I've got sold this year. So I'm going through these big boxes. Most of them are double deep and a medium on top. I'll get the 5 frames that I'm going to sell as a nuc and put them on top and get the queen up there and put a queen excluder on there. Saves you a lot of time when your customers are there. Here, a couple things I want to announce. If Andrew Bushy is listening, I got him down for a reserve nuc. And I don't have his phone number, so if you're watching this, give me a call at 812-325-2180, and make sure you get your nuc. Because the bees has done really well this year. I've got a lot of nucs extra. So if anybody's listening local and they need bees, because it's local pickup only, I don't ship, give me a call at that number. And I'll get you some bees. Last week was the first week we pulled queens. It wasn't a full pull, and this week wasn't a full pull. I'm about to get through the waiting list on queens. Maybe this next week I'll get caught up, and I'll start putting some on the website. Now the website just catches the excess queens that I've got. So if you're really wanting a queen from me and you're wanting them fairly bad, you just probably ought to call me at that same number, and I'll get you on a waiting list and make sure I get a queen out to you as quick as possible. So, as you can see, nice frame of brood. Them holes are, she's already hatched out there and laid them back up. So that frame is getting ready to hatch. I tell you, there's nothing more frustrating when you got customers and you're trying to hurry, and you got other customers waiting, and you're trying to find this queen. And all my queens should be already marked, but I've found this year that I stole a lot of brood out of these hives early, and it kind of stressed them, make the queen think that the queen ain't doing really well, and they superseded about 6 of my queens this year, which never happens, or hardly ever happens. But this year, like I say, I didn't go get bees anywhere to load my mating boxes. I took it all out of my stock, and it put a pretty good toll on the resources. Okay, here's my queen. I can't. This thing don't focus. You can see her running around right here like that. So what we're going to do, I have another box right here, so we'll just put her right in here so she can't get away. We know where she's at. There's another frame of brood's already in there, so that's 2 frames of brood. My nucs always get at least 3 frames of cat brood when I sell them. And she's been a pretty busy camper. There's another full frame of brood. And this box is really ready to go. Here's another partial frame of cat brood. Here, another frame. Now what you got to do though, when you're going to lock her up, she's going to be in there. They're not coming, this is Sunday, they're not starting to come till Friday. So I got to make sure she's got at least a couple frames up here to draw in. So we're going to take this box off, see if she's got anything in the bottom that I can steal for putting the comb in the top. I don't know if she does or not. Let me see here. That's all honey frame. Another frame of brood. This box is getting ready to explode. Frame of honey and a little bit of drone comb. Ah. Well, I was going to let her lay up that. That's laid up full of eggs. Doggone it. And that's all honey. That's a partial frame. She got any eggs in this? If she don't have any eggs in this, what we're going to do, this is all honey. So we're going to shake these off here. I'll put this in some boxes to make splits out of next week. We'll take this honey frame out of here. Maybe this other one is a honey frame. Actually, the back side of that is pretty good. Okay, so I got to get 2 frames out of this. Got to get one out of here. And I've got another brood frame. Oh, I didn't change the camera back. I'm so sorry, but I'm here now to work on this one. Ain't that awful? I've got a bee inside my veil, and I don't know how that happened, but I did. I want to make sure she's on. This was the frame she was on, but I want to make sure she's still on there before I set this back in the hive. I went through all the trouble finding her. I don't want to have to do it again. Well, there she is. Okay. Okay, we'll put this down here. Now, get the camera moved this time so I won't forget. Okay, so we put some brood comb down the bottom, brood frame, because I need to give her some room upstairs to lay in for this week. And we're going to smoke that. Set this deep off of here. I know the queen ain't in there. And we're going to put the honey super in between them. You know what? If she hasn't laid in this honey super up here, I may put it on top. I think I will. Change of plan. This was just added lately, and she's not got there. So we're going to take a queen excluder now. Run these bees down. Clean that all off there. Okay, now I'll move back over here and get my frame with the queen on it. And a lot of bees has climbed down on the box, so I want to make sure she's still on the frame and not in the box. Which it looks like she might have moved. Where'd you go, little mama? Nothing works when you're trying to make a video. Everything is always messed up. Get back up here. Well, the bees all left this frame. I just seen the queen on it, but there's a bunch of bees in the box. I'm gonna take a chance, put her in there. I'm pretty sure she's here in this box now. Yeah, there she goes down in there. She's in the box. Now, when I go to sell this box, I don't have to look for the queen. I know she's in this top box. There, all the bees is off. Well, if you liked the video, hit the subscribe button, the bell next to it to get notified when I make more. You guys have a great Mother's Day. We'll catch you next time. Bye.